there, guys. I don't even know if you can see me actually. Yeah. You can hear all the fireworks. It's bonfire night, obviously. Hello, Airdrie on bonfire night. It's a busy night. I've taken a wee walk through Airdrie to see all the fireworks. Used to get a bonfire here back in the day, I'm sure. There's no sign of it anymore. All the big parks about used to always have them. Cutting back on costs on it. The fireworks over there a wee second ago, no? Just calling me a liar. This must be what the Middle East is seeing now. Hi there, guys. See some of the fireworks? It's making me look like a liar.